the real-time traffic. So how to visualize the real-time traffic. So at line number 2, you can type the same thing. How to visualize? Okay, no, that's fine. No, not how to visualize real-time traffic. It's really interesting. So I believe all of you have already installed the matplotlib, right? You remove like line number 9 to 13 empty lines, you can remove that. So using matplotlib, now we are going to get a pictorial representation. Okay, so basically we will try with the two things. Okay, anyway, since I have directly shared the code, right? So you look at this code, guys. At line number 21, we are sniffing. Okay, what are we sniffing? Right? By printing the packet callback. So you are sniffing real time, right? You are sniffing 10 seconds. Whatever in the 10 seconds that you are going to get there, that you are going to find out the time, because time is what going to be your horizontal axis. What is that? X-axis. Okay, and then you are printing it. So X-axis will be your time. Okay, Y-axis will be your like the packets, number of packets. And if there is a packet is there, then it will say that, oh, okay, at that particular time there is a packet. That is what the purpose of that. Execute this code, you will be really surprised. Real-time traffic. Actually, I wanted to explain this code at the end, but anyway. Wait for a few seconds, because matplotlib will take a few seconds. Other option than matplotlib like Cborn. Cborn will be a little bit faster than matplotlib. So now this guy is going to give you a nice plotting, and with there is a few lines of code, right? This may take a moment. It's okay. Building don't do anything, Ravindra. Just keep quiet, because it is going to open up a new page. Don't do anything. Don't move the cursor and all. Right. Why is it not coming? What, sir? What happened there? Okay, for dragging this much time, huh? Okay, so look at this, guys. At the line, so x-axis is what? Time, right? And at line 1 means, what is the y-axis? Packet count, one packet. It has received at all these seconds, right? So this is the beauty of Scapy. Now can you please go back? It has sniffed and it is telling that in the last 10 seconds, what and all has happened in a pictorial representation. Now can you guys tell me where exactly you can use this in your networking domain? At each and every second you are receiving a packet there. Obviously the interface counters will tell you, but in a pictorial representation in a real time. Because when you give a show interfaces, that when you give the command only it will tell you, but you won't be able to get this. So if you put a timeout as say 24 hours or 10 hours, and it will help you to plot a graph, and from the graph you can understand, hey, this TGN is pretty stable. 10 hours, I asked him to send 1 Mbps traffic, it has continuously sent 1 Mbps traffic. This is one. So to validate TGN. When Google said TGN, I thought that he was referring TGN. Our goal is not to replace TGN though. Our goal is to sniff packets from TGN, make sure that we are receiving properly. 1. 2 is that in a real world scenario, you have say core router, edge routers and all, right? From the core edge and all, are you really, say there is router 1 and router 2. From router 1, were you really able to get 1 Mbps traffic at router 2 on a specific interface? How do you do that? Using this Scapy, it will be pretty easier. In a pictorial form, you can use the same thing via CLI also, or you can write your own Python program to validate that. But pictorial is pretty simple, right? Do you all agree with me? Now, if you look at that, all through the 10 seconds, all the seconds, actually he is receiving a packet. Correct? Right? In case if there is a problem with this like NIC card, if this interface, if it is a router or if the switch is a port, etc., this graph will you quickly, somewhere